Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today we're going to be going over our budget for the month of June. I'm going to go over all of our bills, our expected income, and what our goals are for June. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you stay tuned for the rest of this video, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get in our bullet journal and turn to June. I have everything already pre-written out for us. There's not too much different this month compared to other months. I'm expecting my income to be about the same. I will have about a week off in June, but we are getting busy for summertime, and I'm just assuming I'll probably still bring in the same amount of money even though I'm taking that week off. My side hustle income is probably going to be a little bit lower this month. Honestly, y'all, I have not been putting a lot of focus on Etsy, and I am not bringing in a lot for June. And my YouTube income was just a little bit less than last month, or at least it's looking that way as of right now. But let's get into everything. So mortgage, HOA fees are all the same with our phone bill. A couple things that are extra this month. We have my husband's car registration due, and that is going to be $59.75. And then we have property taxes on 2 of our vehicles, and that is going to be $112.48. And I was originally going to take this from the car maintenance envelope, but we have had a lot come up with our vehicles lately. My husband had to order a part for my car, and he needs new brake pads and such. So we are just going to take it out of the bill account and adjust accordingly this month. Just a normal $29 for PayPal. Our gas bill is starting to go down as it's getting hotter out, and that is only $30.17. But as you can see, our electric bill is starting to go up as the temperature is rising, and we are at $86.49. Sticking with the normal $250 for my car, and everything else is pretty much the same. I am bumping up a little bit in paying towards my Discover card this month. And I will try and bump it up a little bit throughout the summer just so I can get a little bit more paid towards debt. But we are looking at a grand total of $3,328.99 for the month of June. And these are just our bills. So when you're looking at it, if you've watched my channel before, my husband income is usually what covers all of these bills. And it's a little bit lower than that expected income, mostly because of the property tax and car registration. But July is going to be a 3 paycheck month for him. So I think I'm not going to be adding anything extra from my income into the bill account, and we'll just figure it out in July with that 3rd income to get us back in being a full month ahead on our bills. So today we are looking at kind of what the plan is for June. So over here, I have expenses for bill binder and cash envelopes. We are just going to be putting my husband's income towards that. So we're expecting about $3,194. Cash envelopes, I don't think we're going to be changing up too much with that this month. So let's go ahead and see what we are looking at weekly for us. So my personal spending and my husband's personal spending is each $25. We are going to stick with $200 for groceries. We are going to be doing $50 still for gas. Pet care, I think I'm going to estimate about $35 a week for pet care, maybe $50 for dining, $20 for fun, and $5 for miscellaneous. So our cash envelopes are looking like it's going to be $410 per week, and that will come out of my account, or I should say my income, sorry. Which means whatever I make over $410 will be going towards our sinking funds and savings challenges. So I have all of our sinking funds and savings challenges written over here and what they are starting with for June. What I think I'm going to be doing this month is I'm going to kind of be focusing on certain sinking funds and savings challenges. So I definitely want to focus on our resort for our Disney trip. I would like to get this up to at least $2,000 by the end of June. That's going to be pushing it for us, but I want to get this paid off as soon as possible. That way we can start putting more money towards tickets, because I believe the ticket pricing for 2023 is going to be coming out on the 8th of June. So I want to get this knocked out and taken care of, and then we can move on to all the other fun stuff. Up over here, savings challenge wise, I'm not going to be focusing too much on the savings challenges. I'll probably be adding a little bit here and there, and obviously trying to keep up with my retirement challenge and the $1 challenge, but vacation is fully funded and we are going to be using some of this money this month. I'm not really focusing on electronics right now, and these other ones, I'll put money there when I can, but it's not going to be a big thing for us this month. Over here, I do want to start putting more towards car maintenance, as a lot of things seem to be coming up with our vehicles lately. I always want to put a decent amount towards health, and we are getting closer and closer to running season, so I want to kind of focus on that one as well. Home and clothing, probably not a big one, and I definitely want to start putting a little bit more towards emergency savings. So those will probably be the 4 that I am focusing on in the month of June when it comes to sinking funds, but a majority of my stuff is going to be towards Disney this month. I really want to start knocking that out with summertime and bringing in more money, just so I'm not stressing out come the slow season, you know, November, December timeframe. So that's kind of where my head is for June. As always, things are always changing in your budget, and based on where I am each week, I'll have to adjust accordingly, especially seeing I don't have a fixed income. But yeah, this was just a quick little video to give y'all kind of an overview of what we are looking at for the month of June. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it down below. I do love hearing from y'all and answering whatever questions you have regarding my budget. Other than that, I'll see you next time. Bye.